Now let's take a look at JSON and JSONP, which are great for sharing data across your own website and with other web services. So JSON, generally speaking, is the most popular way of transmitting data in between services. It just stands for JavaScript object notation, and it's very readable, even more readable than XML. And it's very simple and small, so it's become very popular, pretty much superseding XML as the most popular way to transmit data around. Plain JSON is used for transmitting data that originates in your own application to other parts of the same application. And then JSONP, which stands for JSON with padding, is a kind of clever hack that's used to transmit data from a remote service into your application. We'll look at examples of how to use JSONP in this chapter. And so the reason we like this is that it's a format that allows you to tie in to other services to request all kinds of data. We're going to be looking at the Sunlight Foundation first. They have a huge set of data on things like legislation, who your representatives are, the boundary lines of the congressional district you live in, all kinds of useful stuff. We're also going to be looking at Ziptastic, which is a very simple API for translating a zip code into a city and state. But there are lots of other sources. You can get information on uploaded photos and the photos themselves from Flickr. You can get movie review data from Rotten Tomatoes. You can get information on WordPress blogs from WordPress.com, and many, many more. So when you're building a web application or a website and you need to get data on something that updates all the time, take a look through your favorite search engine and see if you can find some JSON sources. But now let's take a look at how to actually use some of this stuff.